In this video, you will learn how to delete your Zego insurance account. Cancel any active insurance cover. Open the Zego app and go to cover, then select the policy and scroll down. Tap cancel your policy, then choose a reason, then confirm your cancellation. Ensure a refund or remaining balance. If you're on pay-as-you-go cover, any unused credits will be refunded to your payment method once the policy is cancelled. Remove debit card mandates. If you set up a direct debit, contact your bank to cancel it, as Zego does not cancel it on your behalf. Request account deletion or opt out of marketing. Contact Zego via the app, live chat, phone or email to request an account deletion or removal of marketing list. Track your data removal process. Zego will delete what they can immediately, but may retain some of your information, like your driving data, for up to 7 years due to its legal requirement. Confirm the final closure. Follow up with customer service to make sure your account is fully closed and that your personal data and preferences are updated. Now you know how to delete your Zego insurance plan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.